Hello everyone. So now our server is running two services. The SSHD, the Secure Shell Daemon, the service that you use to log in, and the Apache 2 web server that we set up in the last video. Both of these services are generating logs as you and others access your server. And these are text files which we can analyze using some simple tools. Plain text files are a key part of the Unix way, and there are many small tools to allow you to easily edit, sort, search, and otherwise manipulate them. Today we're going to discuss how to use the grep command, the cat command, the more command, less, cut, awk, and tail to slice and dice your logs. The grep command is famous for being extremely powerful and handy, but also because its nerdy name is typical of Unix Linux converse. Our first task is going to be about the complete contents of a file with the cat like this. Cat space / r / log / apache 2 / access. And what we have here is every time somebody has access to our server, whether it was me logging in, checking out the website, or somebody else. So now we can use less instead of cat to access the same file, and we can move through it one line at a time. This time we're going to use the little g to get to the very top, and we're going to use the capital G to get to the very bottom. And we can also search within the file. For example, search for Mozilla Firefox. Highlight every instance, and we can move between them, and we can go back. Now we can also view recent logins by going to sudo /r /log /location auth log. Now this time we're going to use tail to view the very end of the file. And as you can see, here's where I logged into. Now we can also follow a log in real time by doing tail -f /var /log /apache 2 /access. And that is the current access to our Apache webpage, our main webpage for our server. You can also take output of one command and pipe it in as input to another command by using the pipe symbol, which is this right here. So, for example, we can dump out a file with cat, but we can pipe that output to grep with a search term. For example, cat /var /log. There it highlights all the times authentication have showed up in the log. And we're going to stop this by hitting Control-C, and we can simplify this by typing in grep quotation marks. As you can see, it's the same. Now, if you want to narrow this on down, you can pipe it to grep for root out of those that we just found. That's going to be even more specific. So as you can see, pipe can help you search through documents. Now you can use the cut command to select out most interesting portions of each line by specifying with a /d delimiter and a /l field. For example, if you want to grep, and I need to do sudo. So we're going to cut for field 10 onwards, where the delimiter between field is the quotation or the space character. This approach can be very, very useful in extracting useful information from log data, especially if you have a long log to search for like what we're looking through now. And as you can see, we just have what we needed out of the file. Now we can use the /v option to invert the selection and find attempts to log in with other users. So for example, we can do sudo, and here we are. The other users. The output of any command can be redirected to a file with the greater than symbol. The command, for example, would be ls -ltr greater than listing.txt. When it lists the direct components to your screen, but instead redirects into a file labeled listing.txt. And if that file's not already there, it actually creates the file for it. We do ls -lrt. We see listing.txt that was just created today. That's it for today, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please hit the like button and subscribe down below, and leave me a comment on other videos you would like to see. Thank you, guys.